Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the pull cord in one of these pull starts. It's very easy. It will literally take you 5 minutes maximum to do. In this video you will need a pull cord roughly 2.5 meters long, a screwdriver, a couple of screwdrivers, a lighter and something to cut the cord. Right, we'll get into it. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the cord in the recoil sort of starter. As you can see here, this is all frayed. God, this is actually off my lawn mower, but this would be the same on a pressure washer, sort of a generator pull cord start. What you need to do, first of all, have a piece of cord. This is roughly about 2.5 meters. What I've done, I've burnt the edges with a lighter. I can see it, and then see, so that's all burnt, ready to go. It's very easy to replace this. As the cord is already on, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this out like that, so it goes all the way. Just keep put. When you get it to the maximum, what you need to do, get a little screwdriver, wedge it in there. So now I can take my hand off. Okay. Then what you need to do, if I can just snip. Place that. No bit of cord. I would, and where are we? Go, not that. I would just put that through there. The handle. Pull that out. Pick up through that. To put a knot on there, because the worst thing is, the worst case situation, you put that on, let the recoil sort of spring all the way in, and that'll pull the cord through, then you've got to do it again. So what, everything's sort of like this. Now get this other end, and then literally pull the remainder out, so you're just left with the holder with no cord. Get your new piece of cord, this sometimes you need to adjust this bit to get it in. As you can see, oh, did have it in, as you can see, it's in. So what you want to do, place a knot. I'll do a couple of knots. So it's very easy, just you mustn't overcomplicate things. Take your time. And then what I do sometimes, just heat it up with this. Like that. As you can see in there, I don't know if you can see. Then take off the screwdriver. When you take out the screwdriver, make sure you're holding the centre bit. If not, that will spin all the way back. So hold it, remove the screwdriver, then I would then literally hold the cord there you go. One pull cord done. So if you had one of these and the cord snapped, all you'd need to do is just keep turning that all the way, just like that. So basically all the way into it. Can't go no more, and then do the same as what we've just done. So it's very easy. And what has this took me? 5 minutes, 6 minutes. But what I'd do, I'd have for my pressure washer, I'd either have a complete one of these in my vehicle, because when you're on site working away, the last thing you want to be doing is messing around trying to fix your pull sort of start, and these can just sort of snap over time, the cord just goes. Or have the cord in your van, have a 10mm socket, cut the screwdrivers, and you'll be able to repair this on site and keep working. Anyway, if you want to know more how to do videos we got regarding maintenance with your press washer, also I've got a mechanical background, I'm fairly handy. Like and subscribe to the video for more content